community-based work authorization permit. That may be an alternative for us as we look forward from that standpoint. Right now, there's several bills. Senator Chambliss has a bill called Harvest that was introduced in the Senate back in November. This particular legislation would allow people that are undocumented to pay a fine and then move into the H-2A program. And the legislation also has lots of H-2A reforms that would make that a much more workable program from that standpoint. Also, our Congressman Westmoreland and Kingston has introduced a bill called BARN. It's very similar to the Senator's bill, except it does not allow for a penalty on that. It doesn't deal with anything to do with the undocumented workers that we have. So both of those are sitting there waiting to move if we can move forward. I think we have to realize if we're not going to do